Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshe.
It all started with Tamia Mpisane doing a photo shoot and dumped the beautiful pictures on her Instagram. The mama is really hot. Musa Kaula, the entertainment blogger, took it to his timeline and posted an image of Tamia, captioned Tamia Mpisane, photographed by Pili Mohlala. Other trips decided to bring Sithelo in the picture. One trip said, "This is who Sithelo is fighting. Whatever Sithelo is doing is not against Andile. She is fighting Tamia indirectly. The GBV campaign is just a cover-up. Tamia is the target because she is trying to destroy Tamia's home. I mean, look at this beauty. Tamia is so beautiful." Another one said, "Watch ke lo evil DJ will come up Nenge into to stay relevant after this picture." Yo, Tamia Mpisane is beautiful, guys. Share your thoughts on this one. Do you think Sithelo Shozi is fighting with Tamia Mpisane indirectly? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.